Hey yo, good morning everybody and welcome to a Monday vlog. So I just got done killing the vlog about 30 minutes ago. I was literally sitting right here until the one of the Harbor Santa Monica police pretty much just said we couldn't like sit here, we had to look at the view, which is kind of stupid, but I guess, yeah, so right now, we actually caught her thief hunt, which I kind of like did the blooper at the end, so we're probably seeing him right now on the screen. So, got him, and I also got my very first shiny Pikachu. So, that is amazing. So, second shiny ever. So, I really don't know what's going to happen, but the rain is actually should be dropping any time. Right now it's like 60% of rain supposed to be coming, and there's supposed to be some rain in Pokemon Go. And I remember I'm supposed to be delivering that, and the best place we could do this is in Santa Monica. So I really don't know like a whole policy about. I think in here is just a V-deck, but I don't know. This is something. It's just when it rains, it's pretty much like everybody's gonna be scattering. So. This one the suckiest part is the last train runs at 1, and then after that, then there's buses. But I don't know. Let's just see what falls out, and hopefully I might move to another location because we're vacuuming right now. But I'm gonna try to stick around, and if it starts raining, I'll let you guys know in the vlog. Nobody on the pier. Alright, so we're kind of feeling some light sprinkles right now. So, yeah. So if you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, you guys should check that out. I just recently did it, but it's like pretty much like a part 2. So, nobody was here. Just caught a really good high whale, but I'm not too sure what CP it is, but I'll let you guys know in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch this last train down here. So, alright. Skirt, you know what? I got enough light, so I'm just gonna use the AR feature. So let's see if we can find any grass Pokemon. Oh shit, this is like the perfect time to do AR mode right now. These AR thingies are just, oh, he's gonna be scared. You gotta get run over by a cop car. There you go. Boom, got it. 1, 2. It's like that ball's like glitching out down there. Hey, good Mr. Ball. Need a survey. Alright. Well, that was pretty much it. I gotta get there. I only have like 10 minutes before I get screwed by the train. So I'm gonna try at least catch it since earlier Santa Monica Harbor Police or something, I'm not too sure. I was just sitting there trying to do IV checks and stuff since it's like I've been standing there for a long time. And then he told me, like, you know, it's like, you can stay right here as long as you just stand up and look at the view. So, I said, well, I'll look at the opposite way, but I'll still stand up. But yeah. So, alright, well, I'll give you guys an update if anything's happening. But we did find a Sepulveda snake, but it's already despawned by the time I saw it. So, alright. Let's go ahead and get this day started. Dude. Oh, looks like I found the restrooms. There's 2 of them. Well, lives matter. Well, lives matter. Come on, whales. Well, lives matter. Well, lives matter. Wow, that is awesome. Seal lives do matter. This is amazing. Hey yo, good morning everybody and welcome. I know I'm super close, but yeah, we're here at this Harbor Freeway station, and yeah, I'm trying to keep close tabs with my charger, but it's just kind of like out of range. But yeah, it's just like, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, but get this thing straightened out. Hold on, give me a second. We're in pure dark light. I'm trying to get to a light surface, so let me make sure this gets brighter. At least do something, at least for the meantime. Let's see. Here's a sign. I think there's skunks in LA. I smell skunk. Oh, I smell moisture. It's currently raining, but yeah. Alright, so the light of Jessiker is back. I found some lights, so it's pretty cool. Actually, it's not really cool on the way back home from Santa Monica, because there was a little bit of a slight detour. One, I missed the metro, the last train going to downtown LA, where I couldn't transfer another train line to Long Beach or somewhere like in between, just to kill some time. And two, later on tonight in 24 hours, I would be on the bus going to San Francisco. Ooh, party! Alright, and pretty much like also right now, it's like, when I got to downtown, I met this one person, and I don't know, I'm kind of apart and away from this one because, you know, me, I know this is 2018, I'm nobody's property. I'm not interested into looking for any type of relationship unless you guys are really serious and it's a long term. Yeah, but it's like, you know, if I don't believe it's like a long term or first at sight, and then I'm just gonna just say like, I'm sorry, it's not working out or anything. But yeah, but not even that, but I'm just saying this guy was trying to help me. He was trying to fit me. You know, he was more of, he was into more disabled than I am. So, it's just, he's the older person, and I'm usually like trying to speed walk as fast as I can. But on the way to Walgreens, we're just gonna wait for the gates to open up for the red lines down there, so we can just like take the train and stuff, since they closed it up around like 2. And we got into downtown about like 2:24, and then some crazy person was hanging out in Walgreens. We didn't know. And then after that, he was targeting me and saying like, hey, just get the defend. And after that, I was trying to get away from him and everything else, and he followed me for 7 blocks. And I don't know, I literally just got on the 910. It's just I was like trying to maze, and I kind of merged across the street, and then the 910 was kind of honking and then told me to hop on. So this is pretty much, I'm here at the Harbor Freeway station. So they're having a delay, but the bus driver that told me to steer clear, he told me to steer clear for an hour. So he told me about these little dope little restaurants up here. So there's a food for less. Actually, I'll just probably flip the camera, but yeah, there's a food for less, there's the Krispy Kremes, and then there's a Jack in the Box, and then there's an AM PM. It's perfect. But I didn't know, but he just told me like there's restrooms up here, so I can get some food, so I can recuperate, probably get some Red Bulls to wake up, because I'm about to stay awake for another 2 more hours. And Yeah, we're kind of like doing it in the midst of the rain right now. Since like, yeah, it's a tough one, but when I go to San Francisco to clear my mind, whew, okay. No, stupid freaking thing. Yes, I'm using the phone, everybody. Y'all can tell the phone part now. The only time you'll be able to tell is the GoPro, but that is dead. That's long dead. It died after I did that cinematic shot. So I had to, wherever that was, I don't know, that was a bug. But yeah, so pretty much, I'm gonna say this, if you're ever on the streets for any periodic reasons, like if your landlord kicks you out, or you're getting evicted, or you having some issues with another person, and if it's life-threatening and you really have to do what you have to do like I did, just to be safe, yes. And I know it's a little bit more dangerous out here, which is like I kind of understand, is this trying to communicate with another person that I just recently met in Santa Monica, but the whole issue started happening when we got to downtown LA, and pretty much we were gonna hang out for about an hour and a half at Walgreens, just waiting for like Metro transit people to open up the gate so we can go in there to stay away from the rain and stuff. But yeah, I can't do this bus stuff. I tried doing the bus stuff. You can, but you're gonna have to do it with a buddy system. So yeah, that is out of the question. The tent part, I'm gonna say this, I don't know, this has been the first rodeo with the whole bus transportation, but after I saw downtown, yeah, it's just, I literally want to tase this dude really bad. I literally had this in my hand ready. When that dude was like starting to smack talk, I was really ready and like this. And I'm not afraid just to do this over on Facebook, but yeah, but that's pretty much all we'll do to that person. But is this, I didn't even have it. It was in my book bag back here, and the only closest thing I was nearby was a freaking mace, and I don't even know that will part work. Actually, the part might be in that type of situation, but yeah, it's just like it's really tough out here, and especially around the hollow hours. It's like this is actually the first rodeo in downtown period that I ever crossed around that timing, because I'm usually at home sleeping, or I'm usually somewhere like a friend's house or something. But since it's like I already called my friend, and Daniel, if you're watching my vlogs, you need to keep your phone on when I'm trying to call you and when something's important. But yeah, it's just like I'm trying to communicate with some friends and stuff. So at least as of now, with all this drama and stuff, that I don't have to worry until about next week. So I have some good people in San Fran, so I did found somewhere to go, so that is cool, and that is going to give me the time to clear my mind away from the evil neighbor above, well actually the past bad Nevican energy above, and into the good. So right now we're pretty much currently over here at the three little restaurants, the Krispy Kreme, Truth for Less, and AM, PM, and Jack in the Box. So yeah, I really don't know which one to start first. So they're all my favorites actually. So if you guys are watching, please sponsor me. So that's pretty cool. I would do reviews on your burritos. I would do reviews on your drinks. I would do a review on your donuts too. And I would do a review on the Red Bull too. Hey, I might get the Red Bull. It might be a little bit cheaper, but yeah. I know this is kind of like a little bit long, but since I found some lighting, this is pretty cool. So the vlog might come out just a little bit early, but dead on midnight, just about when I'm about to leave LA. So that whole journey is going to be a different start. So the vlog might be getting killed a little bit longer, but this vlog is gonna be a long one, so I hope you guys are buckled up because this is gonna be a wild journey. So let's hopefully this daylight gets here. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so pretty much we found our AM and PM gas station. So don't forget the hashtag. Come on. Alright, cool. We got our thumbnails, that's pretty awesome. And this is a really fresh donut. It was just freshly just made too. Oh my god. I don't know if this is Krispy Kreme, but this is some fine donut. We don't know this is Krispy Kreme since we're next door to it, but this is a hashtag, so it's pretty amazing. Pretty dope, but I was glad that I was able to find at least a gas station. Drive-thrus, you had to have a car. I went down to McDonald's and they told me I had to have a vehicle, which sucks, but yeah. Nowadays, I thought they were like no such thing. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go start heading down to the bus, see if it's ready or not, and then I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, peace. Oh my goodness, we got our very first rainstorm in Pokemon Go. Oh, it's a water, electric, and bike type. It was pretty dope. I told you when this rain starts. It's 5:40 a.m. It's too full. Hey y'all, good morning again. So it's 7 in the morning. I don't have my watch, trying to save battery life. So we're here at the Pine Park and it's raining out here. And you can see all that is happening. Rain. Got more rain. We got dope piles up there. So yes, we are covering the rain. Since we didn't do Santa Monica and I had an issue, and I don't know, I was thinking either going to Disney, but I kind of got to turn around, so I'm actually in Long Beach. So I'd rather do that because rush hour was crazy in the morning. Everybody was filling up that 460 bus downtown. It was insane. So, alright, well, let's go ahead and get the day started. Festival of Trees, November 17th to January. So, next year you guys can donate. Check this out. Alright, so we have the Red Cross Los Angeles. Pretty cool. And then we have Memorial Care Hospital, Long Beach. Oh, pretty cool. Special Olympics, Southern California. Oh, that's amazing. I don't know the lights on. Yeah, it is. Okay. So we got gifts and stuff. Social Club, Los Angeles. So that was a blank tree. Ability first, and then we're taking another tour of the tree. I love trees. Alright. Boys and Girls Club, woo! A place to become. Oh shoot, the mic was off the whole time? Alright, hey good morning, it's Jessiker here. I think I already did it, but I think the in-game went down. So I might have to check it to see if the audio was on that one. So just realized that the mic was off. So yeah, alright, we caught it. Forgot to feed golden raspberry. That was the very first Wellmore in the morning. It's a new technique. The phone is wet. The wet screen. Come tell. Oh yeah, it is her nest. Okay. Wanna walk up to that gate 10? See if we can get to that gym. Let's see. Pretty lit, pretty dope. Oh, there's another Wellmore. Got it. Oh, thank you. Yeah, Squirtle. Calls for me to get some new shoes. Oh, we got it. Okay, we're gonna dab on that egg. We're gonna dab on that stardust. We're gonna get our Pokemon. This is the Pokemon I was talking about. So hopefully he'll be there by the time I get there. The bad part is about this whole rain. It's really soaking up my feet right now. So it's kind of, there's a red flag right now with my shoes. They're actually soaking inside, which that's kind of really bad. Yeah, he's super rare. That's what I heard. He's on the radar, so as long as I have him on the radar, should have no problem getting him. Except for we're gonna have to run all the way on the other side, but moisture is picking up on my feet right now. This headphones keep sliding, dude. Oh look, we found our snake too. Our snake statue right here. Oh wow. It ran, but there it is, our very first Povida. We gotta get that Lotos over there, so we don't know how long he's gonna be there, so we have to go get it. This umbrella is really ticking me off right now, and I have my headphones on. So, better stay in that ball. First regional snake in the hole. Let's go down there and get that Lotos. Woo! We finally did it. We have finally searched him high and low. Cool. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty dope. Alright. So, pray and hopefully that comes up because I really do need this Pokemon. Let me see. Oh, that would have been cool. That was a shiny. Yes, we are still on the journey of a shiny Magikarp. I don't know what route this is in Long Beach, so if you guys know, comment down below. Well, as of right now, it's Route 5 where this Lotos is. Alright, he should be popping up any second now. This is a super rare Pokemon. Nope, just a Rattata. Nope, not it. There he is. Whoa. Yes. Got it. Shoot, I can't like flame it this way. I suck at it. I couldn't fling to the right. I'm always good going left. So I guess I'm an ambi turner. Let's see. Oh, look! I have a spoofer egg. Just kidding. Oh my god, it's a Charmander! Don't forget to save your Charmander candies for your Mega Evolution. So yeah, it's 400, so yeah. Oh yeah, and I caught him last night too. So he's pretty dope. This is why I like it. I like his features on it. It's pretty awesome. I just got myself a P.O. box. Yes! Alright, so we're here at the post office, and right now I have to do a lot of important stuff like housing and stuff down here. So, yeah. Alright, so we have made it to Greyhound Station. Woo! I mean, yay! But you know, So pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and sign up for tonight because in the morning I will see you guys in San Francisco. And so stay healthy, stay fabulous. It's every day, guys, and peace out, guys.